Oops, this is basically my life, and I know you enjoy it. Hey friend, if this is your first time on my channel, you're welcome, and make sure you subscribe, like and share every single video you watch on this channel. I love you. You're welcome. So this day I was traveling to Lagos to do one or two things, and here I'm already boarding for my flight, and I boarded using Airbus on this day. I didn't really do much of the videos for you to see every details though. Manage the one you see. I was being careful to avoid capturing people's faces to avoid lawsuits. In case you don't know, this is what they use in fueling the aircraft. If you've never seen it before, this is me showing you the machine or the vehicle used for fueling aircraft. I'm already in Lagos and this is beautiful. I couldn't resist it. I have to video it. I don't know what it is, but it looks like a conference center. I had to take the picture video to add to this vlog. So this is us taking off, returning from Lagos after everything we did right in Lagos, and we only stayed in Lagos for a day and we're already back to my base. This is all boarding the flight to return to where I base, and of course I have to keep you guys posted. So this is my first time of being to burial. Maybe this is me doing my hair for the next event on my list for the weekend, and as you can see, it came out really perfect and beautiful. Shout out to my hairstylist. Even though the night after it scattered, I have to redo using my own coiler and my own hands. And this place used to be very beautiful. I don't know what really happened, and the road is looking so bad like this. So I needed to document it, because when I used this road, it was not this bad. This is me admiring myself, and I hope you understand that this girl loves herself. And I hope you do that for yourself too. Enjoy the rest of the vlog. You may not really hear my voice, but this is it. Oh, I'm back. Sorry. I have to tell you where this is because it's beautiful to ignore. Here is actually the new Niger Bridge built across Asaba to Onitsha, or Asaba to Anambra, whatever you call it. I like the fact that it has toll gates, which will help to minimize traffic and etc. on this road. And I hope that we'll make use of it in the right way. This is the first Niger Bridge, which is across the new Niger Bridge. And this is me just out here watching Portugal and Spain match. In case you don't know, I love watching football, and I went out. Another call from the Nigerian federal government to serve the country, which I went to do. And it was quite stressful. Along the line, I had to go and do a welcome back of my SIM that I had to lose due to the fact that a phone swallowed it. If you need more clarification, you can ask in the comment section. Yeah, I'm unboxing my new phone, and this will be the end of the vlog. Enjoy the rest of it. Thanks for listening to me, and thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like and comment on this vlog for more. Have a lovely day, fellas. I love you all. Bye.